In today's fast-paced economy, workers need more flexibility, capabilities, and power for both indoor and field environments. But what device can keep up? Meet the MC3400 MC3450, the next generation of the MC3000 series. Redefining ergonomics with its versatile features in an industry-leading form factor. Designed with flexibility to address your operational needs of today and tomorrow, this series opens up a range of possibilities, empowering workers to have uninterrupted connectivity indoors or out in the field with Wi-Fi 6E or 5G, allowing them to easily scan hard-to-reach barcodes using one device, and enjoy larger, spaced-out keys that enhance usability with or without gloves, both reducing errors and boosting productivity. Give your workforce the ability to capture text, videos, or photos on the go with embedded cameras, and ensure they're fully equipped and ready for anything with higher drop, tumble, and ingress protection than prior generations. Get long-term peace of mind that the device you purchase today will continue to support new Android features well into the future. And maximize your prior investments by continuing to use the same chargers, cradles, and batteries you already own. Find the right model for your every need. Choose from 2 form factors, 3 keyboards, and a wide selection of scanning engine options to suit your workers' needs at the right price point. But Zebra's value goes beyond the physical. With Zebra DNA's software suite, you can tap into new opportunities like biometric authentication with Identity Guardian, and finding your devices quickly using Device Tracker, or deploying devices into your existing workflow faster with All Touch TE. Fully supported and backed by our multiple service offerings, Zebra offers greater peace of mind to more effectively run, repair, oversee, and manage your entire fleet from cradle to grave. Choose Zebra and conquer today and tomorrow with the next generation MC3400, MC3450. Only from Zebra.